Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Grange CC CU Assembly. We have made it. We are in the summer term for the year sixes. You are right at the point of graduation from Grange. So, upper key stage 2, children at Grange, children of Grange. So we know our Grange CC way. We want to have a great caring attitude. We want to be trying our best. We want to always be learning, especially from our mistakes. We're going for improvement and progress. We want to use our education to help us to make great choices, and we want to never give up. And that is what we're about at Grange. We know that physical strength is really important. We need to eat well, sleep well, exercise, but we know that the true strength is our character strength. We are the best that we can be. That can help us to overcome any challenge in life and help us to solve any problem that we face. And that is what we have at Grange. We call it our CC way. It helps you to solve any problems. And wherever you're faced with a problem in life, you just sort of say to yourself, what character strength or which character strength am I going to use? So character strength, Grange style, is the CC way. It's the confidence each one of us needs to say to ourselves and remind ourselves we are worthy. I deserve the best life, a brilliant life, and I need to look out for myself. And at the same time, we need to have consideration. We need to care about everybody around us, think about everybody around us, and think about the world. And if you can get that balance right between confidence and consideration, there is no question you will make the world a better place, and you and everyone, all of us, we will benefit. So here are Grange Pupils of Power. I'm just pointing out two Pupils of Power from last week. Samra, just your conversations with me about Ramadan and what you have taught me about Ramadan has helped me. And it's just the way that you lead and demonstrate your own confidence in who you are, very powerful. That gives us hope. Joelle, you came up with the idea of the Grange podcast. We've already made 2 episodes. And I've got to tell you, Miss Watson, who's on maternity leave, she actually WhatsApped me to tell me that she thought that the podcast was brilliant and a great idea. And Joelle, you have brought that idea to Grange. So, Grange Pupils of Power, well done to you. Bouncing in, the gold bounce goes to Mario, to Shiley, to Faris, to Kauthar, to Maha, to Muhammad A. And the class champions are Ibra in Tubman, Habiz in Parks, Pharrell in Mandela, Alicia in Churchill, Samra in Gandhi, Anna in Luther King, and Dara in Luther King. Well done, class champions. Grange House of Water. We have got Bavita Anna, Cosmina, Shiley, Diana, Martina. Flying in is Zara, Agash, Aliyah, Amira, Pharrell, Abdullah A., Sakina, and the swivel goes to Maruna. And in fire, we have Angela, Amos, Medina, Shana, Farhad, Vishwesh, Princess, flying is Soraya, Murthiga, and the swivel goes to Yamindi. And Haida gets the swivel as well. Well done. And in the Grange House of Air, we have Kiana, Maria, Abdullah D, Faris, Dara, Mustafa O, Jaden flying in, Blessing flying in, Diraj flying in, Ibra flying in, Ajay flying in, Krasian flying in, Nicoletta flying in, and the swivel goes to Shravan. And in Grange House of Earth, we have Eamon, Anastasia, Zohaib, Anushant, Wasim, Sana H, Michelle flying in is Aitan, Divian, Lion, Danusha, Stefania, and the swivel goes to Alicia. And that is 18,110 brilliant points. Classy classes, Churchill class, fantastic. Tubman class, brilliant. Mandela class, look at you, classy class of the week. So we have, that's from last half term. We are going to enjoy ourselves. We're going to set ourselves a target for this half term of 75,000 points. We're going to make it. We've had Freddie, we've had the reindeer, we've had the pot plants. Well done, Tubman. You've got your pot plants, the handprints. I haven't said it yet. I'll announce who was classy class from spring 2 this half term. Let's be great. Let's be Grange. Let's live our lives with confidence and consideration. Let's enjoy the week ahead. Let's be safe and happy. Let's learn together. Let's respect each other. Let's achieve our potential. Let's be great. Let's be Grange.